for the last 6 months, I've not been the best version of me. What's happened with the new clients we've taken on, the new experiences we're having, the rooms we've been in, like that networking event that we did last week. Like when we look at all the things that have happened in the last 6 weeks since I've been feeling my shittiest, so to speak, it's actually the thing that I'm taking into this surgery and why I need to recover and move forward, because I do think everything does happen for a reason. I think that what we see happening is we allowed for some things to happen and to fall into place so that now when I come back, it's like 2026. Remember, 26 is a 10-year, which is a number 1 in numerology. So in numerology, numbers have meaning, and the numbers, especially the first 9 numbers, are significant as single digits. And, you get your life path, all your lifelines, your career paths, all those things come from numerology. The year 2025, this year that we're in, when you add 2, 2, and 5 together, it equals 9. When you get to 9 and you start to go into the second double digits, it's the last digit of the single digits, and that represents the end of things. 2025 is actually the year we're supposed to be getting rid and surrendering to all the old habits and getting rid of all the old habits and really moving ourselves to get rid of everything that no longer serves us. And when I was debating having the surgery, one of the things I said is I need to have the surgery before the end of the year. As soon as I found out I could have the surgery, I wanted it to be before the end of the year because I did not want to bring this into the 2026 year, which is the number 10. 2 and 2 is 4, and 6 is 10, and 1, and then you add the 2 double digits together. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 represents the beginning, the first digit in numerology. It represents new beginnings and new life and new opportunities and all that stuff. So when we get rid of all of the stuff from our lives that no longer serve us, that we need to let go of, it all has to happen before the end of this calendar year. And as soon as 2026 comes, it is the start of a new year, the start of a new life. It's the start of new ways. It's the start of new habits. So get rid of whatever you need to get rid of. Like I've been struggling with my health. It's got to go away by the end of the year because I got to start fresh.